Welcome to Crown Showdown, where one player will rule the day and the others will rule it. But first, pesky rules. Okay, you know already what we're gonna do, but before that, let's meet the players. So as you can see, the mechanics of Crown Showdown are still the same. In Crown Showdown, yeah, you know the rules. You need to win, you will race to win a set of number of minigames before your competitors do it first. But what type of minigames? Up to you. Or select random and give it a chance. So how about let's do a 4-player again and 7 wins and a random. Here we go, guys. Done deal, steady set. Now that you know the rules, one Crown Showdown coming up. Truly and absolutely. So without any further jibber-jagger, let's kick off this Crown Showdown. Take it away, people. Now for our first minigame, let's see if you royal competitors be royal pains out there. Spin the wheel! Ito na yung mga katawan, mga kapuso. Saan na dapat maniro tayo? Hey, we played that already a while ago. Bali, okay lang yun. Pero tayo dito. Yan, manalo mo! At ang panalo ay Tina Raffy! 1 point for me! Yay! Tayo na mga kapuso! On to the next game, everyone! Spin the wheel! Sana maayos na video ko, ha? Wow, galing! No boarding. Dojon! Ay, naku, bakit ganun? Tara ka! Dati yung mauna. Ano ba yan? Biya ako umalis. Ano dapat hindi ka mauna ka? Angel, nagtato ka. Mauna na ako. Yung mo, oh. Tweet number 1, tweet number 2. Ay, naku, tingnan mo. Suwabi na lang ibabad mo. Siya na, bilis mo kasi. Sana dapat mauna na ako. Sana mauna. Yan! Iyon! Malapit na yun, ha? O, tingnan mo yan, Audrey, Chanel. Marami na kumatalo dyan, mga ewan kayo. Marami na kayo, guys. Mga hanip kayo. On the next game, everybody. Spin the wheel. Oh, ano ba naman yan, Cyril? Uy, banggaan. yan, Mika Salamanca. Una lang tayo, banggaan naman tayo. Ano yun? Yeah, because banggaan is so much fun. Hindi ako mag-snowboard in peace, but thank the Lord, I still won anyway. Anyway, dito kayo, sa playhouse, mga bata kayo. Doon na tayo. Sino kayo magwawagi dito kaya? Eh, di malaman namin. Let's go, yo. Let's go! Okay. Sana mabilis lang talaga ako. Ay, nako, bilis naman kayo. Sino talaga kayo mauna dyan? Hoy, gago! Si Sofia Pablo yung panalo? Swabe! Ang bilis naman yun. I'm the winner! Yay! Come on, everybody. You know what to do. Let's get this party started! Grabe naman, Kim. Ang swabe naman talaga sa pagnanalo. Yahoo! Daisy win! Yes, Daisy! Galing naman! Di bale, may chance pa tayo. Alam mo dapat sabihin mo, mga girls? Spin the wheel! Siyempre! Oy! Ay, nako! Ayoko talaga yun. Cyril, ano ba yan? Hindi ako mananalo yan. Kahit susuntukin kita sa ulo mo, o Meg, o Cheska, o Erin, o Rain, or Audrey, or Chanel, ay nako! Tayo mo talaga. Lumas ka dito, tartado ka. Yan! Yan! Hindi ka makaget dyan! Putay mo talaga! Ustakaw ka lang dyan! Tutungan ka lang dyan! Putay! Yan! Huwag ka nga mag-angka! Putay mo talaga! Galing man talaga, Lauren! Tandaan mo yan! Kai, hindi ka ba umuwakyat dyan? Ewan ko na sa'yo. Iyon! Yes! I am Daisy! Yeah! Hi! Kuya Kim, suwabe naman! Sayang lang, Rain! Di ka manalo dyan! Di ba may susunod na pagkataon sa pagpanalo ka? Ewan ko na sa'yo! Di ba na Charlotte? Or Sheila? Or Chanel? Or sino to? Si Audrey? O Claire? Di ba na? Singa! Next game na tayo! Spin the wheel! Ay, naku! That game na naman! Di ba na kung sino matalo dyan? Wish me luck! Pew! Ako yung mananalo! And bro! Make way, I'm Daisy! Let's go, Tojon! Huy, suwabe na una lang si Raven Kachukuyan! Bilisan mo! Ay, naku, may panalo na natin. Kanina panalo ko. Ngayon, patalo na ako. May panalo na! Yow! Yow! Tasha! Ay, naku, Kuya Dato. Yeah! Lapit na! Yo, bro! Hey bro, do you know I'm challenging my new friends here in this game? We played the tightrope game again. Almost na yung tightrope challenge. Hindi ako panalo. Hay nako. That's okay, bro. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Thanks, Kuya Dustin. Hey bro, do you know who was the winner in that game? The winner of the tightrope game was Kuya Enchong. He was so fast. I thought kasi dapat si Ate Alexa Ilacad will win eh. Pero yun pala, it's this one who won pala. Swab naman talaga yung nangyari. O ni Gwen from Bini, o Bel Mariano, o si Stacy, o si Colette, o si Kai, o si Ring, o si Esang de Torres, o si Rain, o si sino to? Si Chanel, o Audrey, o si Kim. Hindi pa siya panalo dyan. Bibi! Panalo ka sa Tycoon game? Hindi! May panalo dito! At siya ay sina Kuya Ench, Kuya whoever, o si Kuya Betong, the guy here. Yeah! Yehoo! Di bale, anong dapat sabihin mo? Next game, everybody! Para sabay na, spin the wheel! Oh, mag-relax na ako. Mag-din-min na lang tayo. Relax muna kami. Hi, Sarap. That's great, Kuya Divo Bayer. We did it. That's great. Next game, everybody. Spin the wheel. Ano yung laro dapat, Kuya Sam Milbis? Ano dapat maisidang? Hi, madali lang yan. Cake making. I love that game. Hello. Hello. We have another cake project. Can you help us? Baby, let's make a cake. Baby Daisy, I love cakes. Bam! Let's start. Ay, nako, buwisit naman talaga. Yan! Yun tayo ulit. Wow! Same cake tayo, ha? Wonder what's the difference? Hala, pareho! Akala ko nakaiba talaga yung cake, eh. Bakit ganun? Pero di bale, each for us. Both of us. Galing naman talaga, Chanel, ha? Panalo tayo? Or Audrey? Hanep? On to the next game, everybody! Spin the wheel! Hi! Madali lang yan! Paliguin namin si Bongbong Marcos para manalo siya sa eleksyon. O si Bong Revilla o si Benher Abalos. Sana manalo siya sa eleksyon 2025. Paliguin na namin siya. Mga ewan kayo. Bilis naman yun, ha? See, talaga panalo na naman ako. Ewan ko na sa yung lahat. Pero di bali, may chance ka pa panalo dyan. I swear. What? Counter. Rafi only needs one more. huling malaro namin sa panghuli. Dito na tayo sa last minigame. Oh girls, anong sabi? Spin the wheel! Oy, galing, dito na tayo sa madilim na sa dark. Tapos I'm teaming up with Kaiden Alcantara for this matter. Suwabe naman. Tayo na, Kaiden Alcantara. Dibit namin yung natin mga Georgian, mga bobo ka. O Gwen, o Pel Mariano, o Sheena Katakutan, o Joanna Robles. Dahil ganda mo talaga sa habang buhay. O Mika Lim. Galing mo talaga, Kaiden Alcantara, o Pel Mariano, o Colette, o AC Martinez, o Shubi Tata. Kaya namin to, Mika, para sa panhuli. Mika Salamanca, panalo kami dito. Come on, Princess Mika, we can win. Dito tayo, malapit na. Yan! Yan! Malalo na kami! Galing naman talaga ng sa paglaro, no, Charlie Fleming?
I just woke up. You just called me.
Fix na. Wow, swabe naman, Kim! Panalo kaming dalawa! Or Kai. That wraps up Crowd Showdown! And this showdown's winner, All Hail Rafi! Yeah, I'm the winner! Galing man talaga sa paglaro, no? Ang swabe naman talaga. We had so much fun. And I just want to give a great big shout out to my new friends who I met recently. You can Mr. Ruby. I just want to give my shout out to my new friends, as you can see here. So yeah, these are the people whom I met kanina at Tutuban. So yeah, shout out to this princess here. Her name is Clar. You see, she's so pretty here talaga. Ang ganda talaga yung mukha niya. Kaya piling ko, jojowain ko na talaga siya if ever. So yeah, she's so pretty. Tapos dito si, si Kim. She's right over here po, as you can see. So a great big shout out to her po. So yeah. Those are my new friends, so yeah. And then shout out to my new friend Erica from Robinsons Manila, whom I met there. She's a very pretty and sweet, talented lady, whom you see right over here. She's so fashionable. She's so cute. So yeah, beloved Kate, beloved princess. So yeah. And then I even get to talk once to this princess here. This is Shalo, whom you see here. Tapos this one is Rain. So, yeah. Ito pa yung pinakamaganda ko. Siya talaga yung pinaka number 1 joke ko sa habang buhay. Ang ganda mo talaga. That's why a great big shout out to all these people whom I met kanina. So I hope I get to meet you again soon. And pwede kayo mag-subscribe dito sa gaming channel ko. Para lahat kayo, para sa pamilya ko. Oh, bro. I didn't even know you went outside to stalk strangers. You know, bro, I'm not supposed to be doing this, Jeremy Patrick Ong, but I had to because of that annoying Waluigi time. Yeah! Anong sabi mo? Uh-oh. Bro, I think we better get out of here. That's it for today's video, guys. Pero girls, alam mo yung dapat sabihin mo, ha? Wow, Rafi! Dami mong kaibigan! Eh, syempre naman, salamat sa inyo. Because of that, if it weren't things for me talking to you, I would not be able to share my top 10 regarding about what that annoying bully had done to me. Yeah! Talaga, Rafi, putay mo talaga. Rafi! Umalas ka na dito, Raven! Tumimik ka! Tumimik ka! Si Rafi na special chat! Siya ay PWD! Si Rafi ay may autism! not in his right mind. Sometimes he just talks about things that are too weird. You know that he's autistic. And don't worry, and even though he's 25 years old, he still learns a lot. And at the same time, he helps us win with our studies. Right? Correct! Boo! Siyempre naman, Rain. Lahat kayo mga babae punta dito. Mahal talaga kayong lahat. Ang ganda mo talaga. Aww. Parang isang buong pamilya dito. So, I just want to thank you po for meeting me in some malls. Because at the same time, I was able to treat you some candy. If I were able to share my top 10 successfully. Alam ko rin top 10 mo. Kung ano yung mga ginawa ni class president sa'yo. Yes! And his role is a shut up! Ben! Just understand, Rafi. He's a special child. He's autistic. Wala akong matinig! Wala akong pake sa kanya! Kausapin mo lang siya. Apologize mo sa kanya. Eh kasi nga girls, palagi na lang yun eh. Every time I make a video of my game, he will always bust me out of the camera like this, oh. Panay mo to. And shut up! Puta! Ino mo, umalis ka na dito. Kaya girls, please, if you want to help me, just let this annoying bully end. Sana dapat di siya makabuso sa buhay ko. At pwede kakapan kita. Dahil naisa ako dahil sa bully na yan eh. Okay. Oh, Chanel, Audrey, you're so sweet. Baby, give me a hug. Baby, me too. Oh. Eliza, Angela, ikaw din. Oh. Or Kaiden Alcantara, Zephanie, Aya, Caitlyn. Sweet mo talaga. Lalo ikaw, Baby Faye. Even you, Carla. Oh, you're so sweet. Lahat kayo, yakap na para hindi ako magagalit. Thank you. That's much better. Anyway, so if you enjoyed this game, pwede kayo mag-like, subscribe, at share mo yung video na to para bawalan ako ng maraming videos tungkol dyan. Nye! Okay! Sorry Sorry pero hindi ka mag-shut up! Putang mo! Bulis ka na dito! Putang mo talaga! Nabiwisan ako dahil sa bully na yan. Rafi, ganito na lang. Pag dumating si Ben dito, huwag ka maniniwala sa kanya. Fine. Maybe in the next video, I hope he learns his lesson.